Welcome back to Mastering AWS Step Functions. This lesson is on string operations. ASL offers one function to perform a string operation. That is the string split. In this lesson, we learn about string split and see how it can be used. We use StringSplit intrinsic function to split a string into an array of values. This function takes two arguments. The first argument is a string and the second argument is the delimiting character that the function will use to divide the string. For example, we can use StringSplit to divide the following input string, which contains a series of comma-separated values. Use the StringSplit function and define input string as the first argument and the delimiting character splitter as the second argument. The StringSplit function returns the following string array as a result. Array, which is an array and its elements are separated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are separated elements in array. This lesson was a short one covering split string, which is an intrinsic function for string operations. Next lesson will cover the intrinsic for unique identifier generation, which is states.uuid, and states.format, which is an intrinsic for generic operations.